Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. 2012 Hyundai Genesis doing a cabin filter. Glove box is right back behind there. So two little tangs on each side, and the cover will come off in order to replace it. I've already got the new one in there. That has like never been changed before. That's nice. Anyways, so how we get to it? So see that little tab right there? Got another one over here. What this tab will do, kind of recess it back in there, and you'll push in on it and it will lift this part out here, or you can get a flathead screwdriver and do the same thing. Just kind of pry right there and it will push in on itself, and then this whole piece will come out. Do the same thing for both sides and then lower it down. This has one of those slow down features right there. You can kind of see it right there. So that will come out of the bore as you drop this down far enough in order to get to it back there. Going back in is real simple. Just line the cylinder up with the shaft that it's coming out of, put it back in. You can reach your hand back in there, line it up, put it right in, close door one time, and it's cinched into place. But yeah, take all the stuff out of the glove box, lower the glove box down, and you have easy access to the cabin filter. It does have a arrow pointing towards airflow. The blower motor is the bottom, the airflow goes up. So make sure it goes in that direction and you are good to go. But other than that, that's about it. Any questions, comments, please feel free to let me know.